Discover Denmark, a land of enchanting geographies. Imagine a land where the sea kisses the horizon, where islands and peninsulas paint a canvas of tranquility and adventure. Denmark, a Scandinavian treasure, offers a geography that inspires wonder, from its dramatic coastal cliffs to its serene rolling plains. Feel the ocean breeze as you explore Denmark's picturesque coastal towns and sandy beaches. Wind-swept dunes stretch endlessly along the shores, creating landscapes that are both serene and wild, perfect for peaceful walks or adrenaline-filled surf adventures. Venture into Denmark's archipelagos, where scattered islands reflect nature at its purest. These islands are rich with lush greenery, sparkling waters, and stunning horizons, offering a quiet escape from the modern world. Experience the rhythm of life in these tranquil havens. The heart of Denmark is its expansive farmland, a patchwork of green thriving under Nordic skies. Contrast this with the dramatic cliffs rising from the sea, where the land meets water in bold magnificence, a reminder of the country's enduring natural power. Denmark's beautiful geography is a call to every traveler's soul. Whether you dream of wandering coastal sands, standing atop cliffs, or sailing through quiet archipelagos, Denmark promises unforgettable experiences. Start planning your journey today and let Denmark's landscapes inspire the adventure of a lifetime.